Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this video, we are going to solve third numerical related to practical differentiator. We have already solved two numericals related to practical differentiator. So if you want to see that videos, you can check it in the description box below, or you can go to the channel playlist. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. The question number 3 is a low frequency differentiator is desired for a particular application to perform function of V0 of t, which is the output voltage equation, equal to minus of 0.001 d by dt of VIT. This is the input voltage and this is the output voltage. So for a periodic signal of 1 kilohertz, design the differentiator. Okay, so we have to design the differentiator for the output voltage equation given. It is given that the output voltage V0 of t is equal to minus of 0.001 d by dt of Vi of t. We know that the output voltage equation of differentiator equal to minus of Rf into C1 into d by dt of Vi of t. When we compare both these equations, then we can see that minus of Rf into C1 is equal to minus of 0.001 is given. Okay, that means Rf into C1 is equal to 0.001. Let us assume C1 is equal to zero point 0.1 microfarad. Okay, so when we put the value of C1 here, we'll get Rf is equal to 0.001 whole divided by C1 is 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. So when we solve this equation, Rf will be equal to 10 kilo ohm. So we are getting Rf is equal to 10 kilo ohm by solving this equation. Now here the periodic signal of frequency 1 kilohertz is given. That means the frequency of the signal is 1 kilohertz. So for designing a practical differentiator, we have to select the maximum frequency of the signal is equal to FA. So this frequency FA is also equal to 1 kilohertz. Okay. Now we have to find out the frequency FB, which should be selected equal to 10 into FA. So when we put the value of FA here, we'll get 10 into 1000 is equal to 10 kilohertz. So FB we are getting 10 kilohertz. Now we know that FB is equal to 1 upon 2 pi R1 into C1. So from this equation, R1 will be equal to 1 upon 2 pi into FB into C1. Okay, now we put all the values of FB and C1 here. We'll get 2 pi into FB is 10 kilohertz into C1 is 0 0.1 microfarad, which is equal to 0 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, so by solving this equation, R1 will be equal to 159.15 ohm. Now we will use this equation R1 C1 is equal to Rf into Cf to find out Cf. Cf will be equal to R1 C1 divided by Rf. Now we put all the values of R1, C1 and Rf in this equation. So after putting all the values, we'll get Cf is equal to 1.59 into 10 to the power minus 9 farad, which is equal to 1.59 nanofarad. Okay, so this is the value of Cf we are getting. Now we can find out the R compensation resistance. R compensation resistance is equal to R1 parallel Rf. R1 we got 159.15 ohm parallel with 10 kilo ohm, which is Rf is equal to R compensation resistance. So when we solve this equation, we'll get R compensation resistance is equal to 156.66 ohm. So this is the value of R compensation resistance. So final step is to design the practical differentiator by using all these values of R1C1, RFCF and R compensation resistance. So this is the practical differentiator circuit by using all the values we have calculated just now. Okay, so hope you have understood the topic. Thank you very much for watching. In the next class, we are going to solve fourth numerical related to practical differentiator.